Okay, so today we're going to make the marble stand that your portrait's going to go on. You're going to hold your paper the horizontal way, okay, not the vertical way. So what you're first going to do is you're going to take your paper and you're going to fold it in half, okay, find the crease. That way you can see the fold, right? You can see the difference here. I'm going to draw a line so you can see it clearly. You're not going to draw a center line, okay? But I'm going to draw a line with pencil down the middle so you can see that that's my center. You probably can barely see it, okay? And then what you're going to do with the pencil first is you're going to, I'm trying to make a shape kind of like this. So this is about where the bottom of your sculpture is going to be, and it's going to go up on top of it. So it looks like it will be a little three-dimensional. So if this was in half, I'm going to be doing kind of a semi-oval, and it's going to go all the way out to my side. So I'm going to take my pencil, I'm doing it in purple right now so you can see it, but you're going to use pencil, and you're going to go all the way out to your side and then come back all the way to the center. Notice how I'm not going over that center line, okay? Then from here, I'm going to curve down and out and then bring it in. And now I need to create my bottom. So this is also going to look kind of three-dimensional, right? It looks like it's going behind that column, okay? So to make it look like that, I'm going to not start here, but a little bit above, and the same kind of thing. I'm going to start and I'm going to do a semi-oval. So I'm going to come out to my side and I'm going to come around. If you wanted to give it an even more three-dimensional look, you're going to go to the side of your oval here and you're going to go straight down, and then you're going to copy this curve. So you're going to make kind of a parallel line to this curve. So if mine is curving up this way, I'm going to curve it also that way. You see now how it looks like it has the thickness to it? Okay, you can choose to do that or not. Once you have that done, this is my favorite part, you guys. You're going to take a black oil pastel, which are in the center table. They're in a plastic white container, and they're brand new. You're welcome. Okay, and they have this crepe piece of paper on it, okay? If it doesn't have the piece of paper on it, don't take it because it's probably charcoal. So oil pastel. And you're just going to go ahead and you're going to trace over, and you're pressing kind of hard. You want it to be kind of thick. And this is also an opportunity if you made some mistakes or errors. This is an opportunity for you to do what you want with the oil pastel, because the pencil, don't worry about erasing it. It's not going to be a big deal later. Okay? Notice how I'm also trying to really take up the space, right? There's not that much room up here. There's not that much room on the bottom. Okay? So here's my favorite thing. I go back here. You can either take the back of your nail, the back of the pencil, or maybe use the back of a scissor, whatever. And I use my nail, and you're just going to rub. So I'm trying to rub on the areas in which I drew. This is not going to take that long. You rub, 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 rub. Okay, and when you open it back up, it is symmetrical. How cool is that? All right, so once you have that, you're going to take this and just kind of retrace it so it's the same kind of dark. Okay, this is one of my favorite techniques to kind of do things a little bit more symmetrical, because with our own human eyes, it's a little bit, you might get it close, but it's difficult to do the same thing on the other side, right? Okay, so that is our first stage for today. The next step is going to be to do the designs, but I'll introduce that a little after. Okay?